Hello and welcome to Short and Sweet. We are going to be making a tasty little appetizer known as bruschetta, great for a party or a prelude to a quiet dinner for two. We'll need a few pinches of sea salt to taste, and a fresh bunch of chopped basil. The key word is fresh. Next, we'll look for 2 cloves of garlic. 1 cup of your favorite tomato, chopped, is also required. Grape tomatoes can add a little extra to the presentation. A drizzle of good quality, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, and its partner in crime, balsamic vinegar, will be brought in. You'll also need to find a good quality baguette. And the last ingredient is a block of the popular Parmigiano-Reggianno cheese. Let's get started. Our bruschetta requires several steps. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees. Then, taking your loaf, cut it on the angle like so. Arrange the bread on a baking sheet and place that in your preheated oven. Our bread has been toasted on both sides, so we'll take that out of the oven now. Be careful because it's hot. And while it's still hot, you'll take some garlic, cut it in half, and rub it on the bread. Place it back on the sheet. Drizzle some oil on there, olive oil. And some of our cheese. There's no need to overdo this step. Just a little bit of cheese is fine. And back in the oven we go. Next we'll grab a bowl to make our topping for the bruschetta. To make the topping, we'll just take some tomatoes, chop them up, or I should say dice them. Take your basil next, roll it into a fine bunch, and slice into thin, confetti-like pieces. That looks kind of like that. If you get stem, just pull the stem off. Take your tomato and basil, put that into your bowl. Add some cheese. Some minced garlic. Balsamic vinegar, and olive oil. Mix gently, making sure you don't bruise or crush the tomato or basil. And at this point, our bruschetta should be doing quite nicely in the oven. We'll just pull that out. can turn the oven off. And bring a plate over to plate your bruschetta. Be careful, they're hot. Grab a spoon. And carefully place a little bit of filling on each piece of toast. And there you have it, bruschetta.